Hi guys, AI music videos are becoming a new trend. These videos are attracting more and more people to watching as they have enjoyable songs and high quality lip sync performance as real singers. In this video, I will show you step by step on making AI music video by yourself. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a song. Firstly, we can use AI music generators to create an AI music. Take Suno AI for example. You can find the official access link in the description. Click on Create. Here you can write down your own lyrics and enter the music styles you want. You may also customize other settings below. Then simply click on Create and it will create a song with the lyrics you provide. This is the song I created inside HitPaw Edamakor. We're gonna use it later. Step 2. Create AI singer. Now we need an AI singer to sing the song. I would recommend using HitPaw FotorPea to generate the AI singer, as it can create and enhance your images to 8K high quality. Here's how I create it. Open HitPaw FotorPea and go to AI generator. Use the text to image function. Inside the prompt box, describe how you want an AI singer to look like, then choose an AI image model, then click on generate, and it will create cool images like these. Step 3. Create AI music videos with lip sync. Considering the music length usually exceeds 30 seconds, so we want to use video editing tools like CapCut to trim and separate the music into several clips. Each clip is around 10 seconds and make sure the clips are continuous. Export each clip as MP3 files. Next, we are using HitPaw VikPea to generate AI music videos. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on AI video generator, use image to video feature, then choose Seedance 2.0 model. Import the AI singer image and one music clip. I am using this anime style image for example. Then write down the prompt like this. The main character is singing with accurate lip sync matching the lyrics of the music. This is the prompt I write. After that, set the duration to 10 seconds, resolution to 720p, and customize the aspect ratio. Click on generate, and there we have created a music video clip like this. Cool, we can use this method to create other clips and edit them together into a full music video. Step 4. Enhance music videos to 4K. Lastly, we want to enhance the 720p videos to 4K high quality. Go back to the home page. Click on Video Enhancer. Import the music video here. We can use the default settings, or you may customize the model settings on the right side. Choose 4K resolution. Then click on Preview. The video details will be enhanced to the next level after upscaling. Click on Export, and there we have a 4K AI music video. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI content and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.